Got an RVD file from an Avid Media Composer project? This contains project data essential for video editing workflows in professional environments. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to work with these Avid project data files. Let's keep this in our back pocket. I have a specialized, rarely known method for opening RVD files when conventional applications give up. Here's a hint. Our ultimate backup plan is listed below. An .rvd file is a data file used by Avid's professional video editing software, such as Media Composer. It doesn't contain video itself, but rather metadata, effects information, and references to media clips. Users are typically video editors trying to manage, share, or troubleshoot a complex editing project. The .rvd format is a proprietary binary database designed for rapid access and modification. It stores project settings, bin information, and pointers to separate media files, MXF. This decoupled design allows for non-destructive editing and efficient collaboration, as small project files can be shared without moving massive video assets. The RVD format has primary linkage to the Avid Media Composer application by Avid Technology. The file structure is too complex for native Windows editing tools to manage reliably. Windows can show basic details, but full interpretation requires the software that uses the data. Begin the search for the specific application handler. Right-click the RVD file and choose Open With. Use Avid Media Composer first. If it's absent, select another program. This systematic test sequence is essential. If the RVD file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. When the file is still closed, you're facing one of three standard issues. Let's run through this easy-to-read list of causes and checks. First, opening in Avid Media Composer. Launch Avid Media Composer and select Open Project from the Project Selector or File menu. Navigate to the folder containing the RVD file and load the associated Avid project. Media Composer reconstructs the project environment with all bins, clips, and sequences ready for editing in the professional post-production interface. Next, relinking media files. If source media is offline, use Avid's relink function to reconnect clips to current media locations. Right-click clips and select Relink to manually reconnect or use dynamic relink for automated media discovery. Maintain consistent Avid media files folder structures to streamline media management across editing systems and storage volumes. Finally, backing up project data. Regularly back up RVD files along with associated project files to prevent data loss. Use Avid's project backup features or copy entire project folders to external storage. Avid Media Composer maintains automatic project backups in the Avid Attic folder, providing recovery options for accidentally modified or corrupted project data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.